Where should I start my New York Public Library tour? Imagine stepping into a building that feels like stepping back in time, full of stories waiting to be uncovered. If you're planning a trip to the New York Public Library, especially the famous Stephen A. Schwarzman building on Fifth Avenue, starting at the right spot makes all the difference. The best place to begin your visit is at the Visitor Center. It's the main hub for all visitors and sets the tone for your entire experience. When you arrive, head straight to the Visitor Center to get oriented. You'll find interactive displays about the library's history, its vast collections, and stunning architecture. Staff members are there to answer questions, give you maps, and help you sign up for guided tours if you want a more detailed look. They also offer coat check services, so you can explore comfortably without lugging around heavy jackets. Before you start exploring, pick up a printed map or download a digital guide to your phone. The library offers a free audio tour through the Bloomberg Connects app, which works in many languages. This way, you can learn about the building's highlights at your own pace. Once you're ready, walk through Astor Hall, the grand marble entrance space just beyond the main doors. It's famous for its high ceilings, white marble walls, and engraved donor names. This space is a perfect introduction to the Beaux-Arts style of the building and sets a majestic tone for your visit. To get the most out of your trip, stop by the information desk on the left in Astor Hall. Staff here can tell you about current exhibitions, events, and any last-minute tour openings. Many guided tours start from the spot and take you through the most iconic areas of the library. One of the highlights is the Treasures exhibition across from the main entrance. It features rare items from the library's collections, like original manuscripts, historic documents, and even the original Winnie the Pooh stuffed animals. An audio guide is available to help you understand the significance of each piece. For a more in-depth experience, consider joining a guided tour led by a docent. These tours often include the Rose main reading room, which is a must-see. The room is a stunning space with soaring ceilings, grand chandeliers, and long wooden tables where visitors can read or study. It's a symbol of the library's mission to provide free access to knowledge. Before you leave, be sure to visit the marble lions, Patience and Fortitude, which sit proudly at the entrance on Fifth Avenue. They are symbols of the library and the city itself. To make the most of your visit, arrive early to avoid crowds, especially if you want to join a tour or see popular exhibits. The library is free to enter, and photography is allowed in most public areas. If you're interested in research or special collections, those are available too, but for most visitors, the main sites and exhibits are enough to give you a true sense of what makes this library a cultural landmark. Starting your tour at the Visitor Center ensures you get the full experience, from the impressive architecture to the library's rich collections. Whether you're a local or just visiting, this approach helps you appreciate why the New York Public Library is such a vital part of the city's identity.